I'm looking at number 15 on our independent practice. And I've already written the problem, 6x squared plus x minus 1 divided by the polynomial 3x minus 1. It's already arranged in standard form, so I've already done the first step. And now I'm going to follow the long division, divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. I look at the first term in each polynomial, so 3x and 6x squared. And I'm asking myself, what times 3x produces 6x squared? Well, I know if I multiply 2x, I'm going to write it over here in front of on top of the x. If I multiply 2x times 3x, I get 6x squared. So let's take a look at when I multiply 2x times the polynomial 3x minus 1. What is the product? Well, 2x times 3x is 6x squared. And 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x, or minus 2x. So I'm going to write that product just like I would with long division. My product is 6x squared minus 2x. So I've divided, I've multiplied, and now I'm going to subtract. And I need to subtract this whole polynomial. When I subtract the whole polynomial, I need to be sure that I am distributing the negative, which means that I make everything inside my polynomial, everything within the parentheses, the opposite term. So instead of a positive 6x squared, I have a negative 6x squared. Instead of a negative 2x, I have a positive 2x. And now I can add these polynomials. 6x squared minus 6x squared, well, that's 0. X plus 2x is 3x. I've divided, I've multiplied, I've subtracted. Next step is to bring down my next term. I notice, wow, what I have left, 3x minus 1, is exactly the same as my divisor. So if I multiply my divisor one time, I will get 3x minus 1. If I subtract, I will see, let's go back to using pink. Again, distributing my negative. 3x minus 3x is 0. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So my quotient without a remainder, 2x plus 1 is my answer. To check it, I multiply, I do my inverse operation. So I multiply my quotient by my divisor, and I should get my dividend if my quotient is correct. So let's see. I'm going to use FOIL to multiply. First terms, 2x times 3x is 6x squared. Then my outer terms, 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. Then my inner terms, 1 times 3x is 3x. And finally, 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. And I think I can combine the x terms. So negative 2x plus 3x is 1x. And I have my 6x squared plus x minus 1. And that is exactly what my dividend is. So I know that my answer, 2x plus 1, is correct.